How's it going, everybody? Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, do drop us a like. Today's truck is a 2015 Ford E-350 Super Duty. This truck is ready to work. It's got a 16-foot box with a ramp. It's got 198,421 miles, and we'll get started off with the wheels here and the tires. This truck has been reconned. It's in great condition. It's got a GVWR of 12,500. We'll check out these wheels and tires in the back. Dual rear wheel. Cool, let's check out your box. Here's your ramp. That deck height is about 1 foot 9 inches. Right on. Got a translucent roof and a dome light right there. Let's continue on. Passenger side over here. Let's check out your wheels and tires. The chassis has been done with anti-rust chassis saver paint. Promotes longevity, prevents rust from forming or spreading. Checking out the interior, this truck has been detailed thoroughly. It's also been detailed under the hood. Interior is in great condition, no rips or tears. On the seats here, this truck has also had one previous owner. And here's your third seat. All right, let's get her started. Check out those miles. There we are, 198,421. Let's check out that engine. Over to the engine, it's got a 5.4 liter V8 flex fuel engine. This is coupled by a 5-speed automatic shiftable transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed. This thing is ready to work. All right, and that will wrap it up for your 2015 Ford E-350 Super Duty. Now, if you'd like to find out more information about this truck, including more info on the measurements, please visit our website, which will be linked in the description below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. All right, as always, thank you all for watching, and have a great one.